I get this question a lot. How do I find cash buyers? Where are the real cash buyers? Yo, how do I find verified, certified people who are going to buy my house as cash? And guys, this is literally like one of the easiest parts of real estate. That's why I have my clients focus on finding sellers, because this part is normally easy. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to find cash buyers. And just for your knowledge, once you get in contact with these cash buyers, what I want you to do is to be sure that when you assign them your contract, you make sure you get a deposit. That will really certify them as a real cash buyer. That deposit can be $1,000, $2,500, $5,000. But once they commit to your deal and you assign it to them, make sure you get that deposit. And make sure you let them know, hey, this is non-refundable unless the title is dirty. Now, let's get in the video on how to find these people. Hey man, what's up, Matt? Listen, I got this hot deal in Charlotte, right? And people will not believe how easy it is to find cash buyers from not only your laptop, but like right from your phone, from an app. Like people wouldn't believe. So I just have to like bring you on so you can show them. And being that, you know, you work with Deal Machine, this is incredibly crazy. So listen, I just got this property under contract at 2515 LaSalle Street in Charlotte, North Carolina. Yo, bro, I need some cash buyers ASAP, bro. And I just want people to see how easy this process was for me.
Absolutely, man. And again, awesome seeing you. Thanks for having me on. I'm Matt Camp over here with Deal Machine, run partnerships over here. Everything that we do too, it's all based on, we've had over 10,000 deals done using the Deal Machine app at this point. So it's pulling that playbook, man. It's showing people like, hey, here's what here's what works. Here's what's working in the marketplace today. You know, and I would say on my end as well too, like our whole goal is to make it easy on mobile, like you said, and desktop. So everything I show you guys, I'll show you the desktop here for a second, but everything I do on there on mobile, same thing. We focus really, really heavily on making it easy to use on both, and it syncs up automatically. So anything you do on one, it will automatically sync to the other. What I can show you here, man. So let me go through this. There we go. So pulling that up, a couple things. One, so you said the address, well, I tried typing it in. It was 2515 LaSalle Street, right?
There you go. Yes.
Perfect. There we go. So what I highly recommend starting with, again, I just have the map pulled up on Deal Machine right here. We can help you build your list. We can help you market that list. We can help you close deals. And then on the cash buyer side to wholesale it, we can help you find that too. What you can do to start off with, just type in that address like we mentioned right here. Here's the property. You can see everything from the owner, you know, all that owner info right here, which we can dig into that, you know, in a future video as well. We get demographic data, all kinds of awesome stuff now for owners. You've got all the property information right here, everything from the property itself, the land and tax info, transaction history, all kinds of stuff right there. Now, if you're thinking about, okay, how do I find a great cash buyer that is active in this area, that are looking for active deals in this area? What I'd highly recommend doing, you've got a couple options here, man. I would say right here is at 28216. Is that the zip code right here?
Yep, that's the zip code, and it's on fire in that pocket too.
On here on the map, you'll see this top bar is our filter bar. This right side is where you can browse properties, and this bottom bar is is in real time showing you exactly how many properties fit the criteria you're putting in there. So if we go up top and we say 28216, that zip code, I recommend starting the zip code that your property's in, so 28216. Click on that, and it's going to highlight that entire area. Start to build that. It'll show you, hey, you've got over 22,000 properties in that zip code to begin with. And now to go a level deeper, okay, how do we find cash buyers right there? Couple options. One that's going to give you a big list to work right away is if you go to our quick filters button right there, and as easy as scrolling down to our cash buyers quick filter, which it tells you like, hey, these are properties that are owned, purchased outright with cash. Awesome. Click on that. You've got 8,100 properties that were cash buyers in that area right there to begin with. So that's a big list to start off with. That's one easy place to start. What I'd recommend, if you want to get much more targeted beyond that 8,000, that's just like a great initial list to start with. And let me pull that list. Let me build it right at the bottom right here so you can see it in action. If I want to pull those 8,101 properties, you'll see it's only going to take, it should take just a few seconds here, even though it's a huge list. It's going to pull that for you right there. And boom, it's almost done here. Fantastic. We've got that to work from right away, man. 8,101 cash buyers to start off with. There you go. One list done. Now, the other thing I'd recommend is if you go into our property filters to get more filtered down, you want to see, okay, who's bought a single family home? Let's nail that down first. So single family homes down to 18,752 properties. And then if you go to this more button right here, Nasser, I don't know if you've played with this yet. This is something that's brand new for us. Clicking into more, you can then see we've got all kinds of demographic data now, all kinds of data about the individuals in here that are buying these properties and owning these properties. So if you just type in owner is a house flipper, that is an awesome place to start. Owner's a house flipper equal to yes. Let's see, we've got how many properties in real time? 24 properties right there. Owner's a house flipper, ready to go. Let me build that list. Awesome. I've got 24 right there. So you went from 8,000 down to 24. One other one, Nasser, I'd recommend, man, is if you click on more, you can also delete that and go to owner has multiple properties. That's another really, really good place to know, like, hey, you could be an investor right here. Well, let me see what that looks like. We've got owners multiple properties that are single family in this area. Cool, 8,600 properties. That's another option right there too. So to begin, right there, you've got all that pulled for you right away. You've got the house flippers list I just pulled. That's the 24 house flippers right there. You've got the 8,101 cash buyer properties inside that area. And you'll notice right away, man, I pulled that list. I didn't skip trace a thing. I didn't press skip trace at all. You saw me pull through this. Well, hey, if you scroll down here, you'll start to see phone numbers come through on those individuals right here where you've got Claudia is one example, 3 phone numbers to call. All of that's built in for you immediately inside Deal Machine now. So you don't have to hit the skip trace button ever again. That is included in your membership now, man. That is a huge, huge update for us the last couple months.
Bro, that's crazy, bro. I don't even have to pay for extra skip tracing, bro. And it was like literally this easy to find the buyers. I knew like I wanted you to show them because they probably wouldn't believe me because I'm always trying to show them something. You know what I'm saying? So,
that's what like this 8,100 people normally that would be what $810 of skip tracing at least, 10 cents a skip trace. That is built in for free, included with your Deal Machine membership now. So even our starter plan, that's locked in. You're ready to go,
man. Listen, Matt, bro, that's all we needed, man. And listen, people watching this is literally like it can all be that simple. This particular time, man, listen, what I need you to do, if you want that software, I'm gonna put the link on the screen in the description, but is gurudriving.com. I'm going to give you a 7-day free trial, right? Also, yep. I'm going to give you a $15 credit. So with that credit, you can use that to access different things in Deal Machine, man. So yeah.
Goes toward free mail. You get the unlimited free skip tracing comes with that free trial right there. So if you're ever considering paying for skip tracing again, like you can go in, just add your leads on Deal Machine. It's going to backfill all the data for you right there, and you don't have to worry about it again. So it's something where, our goal is to make it just as easy as possible for you. Never get nickeled and dimed again. Go out there and just use this to be able to build that data on the contact information side. And then again, use the cash buyers filter, use the owner's a house flipper filter, use the owner has multiple properties filter. Those 3 things are going to give you a killer cash buyers list right away.
Matt, man, appreciate you.
Yeah, man. Happy to come on anytime.
All right. So cool. That's how you find real cash buyers in 2024. So check this out, man. Listen, what I want you to do now, this software, it actually can do much more. So I'm gonna send you to another video. Just check out the other things that this Deal Machine software can do. Also, click the link to start your free trial.